G'day guys, down here at one of my investment properties that I bought right back in 2016 in Brisbane. Wish I had bought more of them now, but picked up this little gem. Up the top is a nice little 3-bedroom home that I'll renovate later on. But what we're here today to show you is the little granny flat that I'm building, which I'm so proud of. Obviously, we've done a heap of this sort of stuff for clients, but this is a nice little one that I'm doing for myself. And what I'm proud about is the time and the thought that my wife and I, she's an interior designer, have put into the design. And I think this is going to look absolutely beautiful when it's finished. What we've gone for is the standard 55 square meter granny flat design with a little bit bigger deck out the back here. What I've chosen to upgrade is some beautiful rake ceilings out here in the deck and in the central living space to make it feel bigger inside. I've also done a slightly nicer kitchen. We're going to go for a different sort of look on the outside, like a completely cladded look all the way around. We're going to go for like a really nice dark grey colour with white windows, white roof, white gutters. So it's going to look really fresh, and I'm just super excited about how it's coming together. So what we're going to have is the deck, which will be super nice and relaxing for someone to enjoy. Then we're going to have the nice big shared living space, as well as 2 bedrooms and a separate bathroom. Another little tip that I've learned and put in myself in this property is heaps of storage. So both of the bedrooms have little walk-in robes. Walk-in robes, what am I talking about? Sliding robes or sliding cupboards. There's not enough space to do the robe as a walk-in. But then in the shared living space, we put in extra kitchen cabinetry, overhead cabinetry, as well as like a little broom closet, as well as like a little linen closet as well. So super stoked about this one. Can't wait to rent it out. The tenant that's renting my house at the moment is the nicest guy in the world. He's actually going to move down from the home and live in the granny flat. And then I'm going to clean up the house out the front and rent that to someone else as well. So excited to see how it goes. I should expect somewhere between, I think, $320 to $380 a week in the market, but because Don is such a nice guy, I'm going to give it to him for a bit of a discount, and I know he'll look after it like it's his own. I'm super excited to show you the finished product in a couple of months.